Getting your hearing tested is easy and totally worth it. The test is quick and painless, and it helps us determine the best next steps for you. First, your hearing care provider will ask you about your hearing health history to better understand any concerns you may have. Then they'll perform otoscopy. That's where they look down into your ear canal to make sure there's no earwax or anything else to be concerned about. After that, you'll listen to sounds at different pitches and even take a speech test where you'll repeat words at different volumes to see how well you understand speech. This gives us a full picture of your hearing health. If you've noticed any changes in your hearing, don't wait. Getting tested early helps you find the right solution for a better quality of life. It's a simple step toward better hearing. Like, follow, and share for more information on hearing health from Dr. Hope for Hearing.